and she's Daredevil Kira, as always. Whoa! Eep! He falls. Is it safe over there? Is it safe? Oh my gosh.
We're in a lake, by the way. And if I fall, I'm gonna die probably.
Good. I was like, is it safe? Oh my gosh.
We gotta go down here.
I'm safe. I'm safe now. Come on, let's go on the ice. Let's go on the ice. My camera's about to die, so let's quickly go on the ice. Yes, it is my ice.
We're still on the lake, kind of.
Wow, that's my finger right there. Oh yeah.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm doing the shuffle on the ice.
Yeah, and there's someone coming.
I have no idea who that is.
Yeah, let's just hold up the camera and they'll think that we're not filming. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching.